Hey everyone. I've made a couple movies on pickaroons, but I got these two little guys. This was a full length one, but I cut it down because I like to use sticks for measuring my firewood, because I'm kind of a perfectionist and I like my wood pile to be straight. So I showed you guys this one before. So I do want to try the wood hooks. I did make one, but I obviously didn't make it right. I'll show you in a second. But I can't seem to throw it with, yeah, it doesn't really work.
Hey folks, most of the time I've gotten slivers throughout my career as a cabinet maker. It's always when you pick up a piece of wood and you're pulling it towards you. And same with picking up firewood off the ground or off a pile. As soon as you've got it up in your arms, you don't seem to get slivers when you're just dropping it. It's always picking it up. And just the fact that I made these and it's giving me gratitude, it's making me happy to use it. It's like you can dig a hole in the dirt with your hands, but if you use a shovel, it's just more fun.
I've had them, when I try to do that throw, I've had it kind of stick and then it like really jars your shoulder. So I don't know if it's worth that. I'd stack it right now, but this wood's green and I don't want to bury my dry wood. So it's going to have to stay in the pile until the spring. It'd be a good way to practice shot put.
These little woodpeckers, pickaroons, are among the smallest ones I've got. And in a few seconds here, you see me bend down and pick them up with my hand. And you can see how much further I am bending over.
So you can grab them, but once they start getting bigger, I think it's easier. Maybe if you split it smaller. You know, I think part of it, to be honest, is it's just kind of fun to use. You know, tools make a person's job enjoyable if you've got the right tools. And sometimes if you have something that makes you think it's funner, it is. I call these things the woodpecker. Thanks for watching. Hey, Clifford. Are you a good boy, buddy? Are you a good boy? Yeah. You're a good boy, buddy. Oh, yeah. Yes, you are a good boy, Clifford. There's my wood hook I made. Just have to split a little bit more firewood. I told you guys I'd show you my wood hook. This is first attempt. Doesn't work. No, second attempt. First attempt, I just welded a bolt, but it didn't have enough penetrating momentum. This thing actually works pretty good to pick it up, but you can't fling it. I'll show you what I mean. It just sticks on there like. Does not work. See, this is a file. I hardened the end because I know the end's not hard. It does work to pick up. So it's not useless. Just that just feels a little bit more natural to me.
So I'm not done with these wood hooks yet. Buckin' Billy Ray seems to like them, and I respect him. So I just need to refine my tip geometry.
Hey guys, I'm making some more axes. Check it out. Here's the forge I made. I made it out of wood stove fire bricks and an old Herman Nelson torch and another tire stand.
Okay guys, here I'm taking the arc out of the leaf springs. I'm new to forging, but I don't know if I'm getting this hammer caught in my panties or what, but I cannot hammer the edge into a point. This leaf spring is tough stuff, and I just can't get it to move like they do on Forged in Fire. But I'll just keep trying, and that's why I have to grind it on a little bit later.
I TIG welded this one. I think it's a little bit prettier.